Greetings, my friends, and welcome to another hotel review by Trizity Traveling, and me, your host, John. Today, we're at the Park MGM in fabulous Las Vegas. We'll start our tour today with a view of the lobby and its various stores, shops, and things, like the front desk. This root feature in the ceiling. Several restaurants in the hotel property. Primrose Restaurant seem to be primarily breakfast and lunch. The lobby liquor store. Just lobby store, I guess you would say. This is Vegas after all. Something called the Sixth Space. Never saw it open. Night Up, a Las Vegas Golden Knights store. Never saw it open. The Corner Store, which was open occasionally. And the most popular shop store in the hotel that I saw was the Starbucks. As you would expect, large casino area. Something called Dolby Live, never did figure that out. There's a Lady Gaga display. I believe on the record it's a concert hall. Bruno Mars and some other dude were performing there the weekend we were there. Bet MGM and the Side Bitty Grill. A noodle restaurant. And the Italy Development, which turns out to be a series of different stores and shops, all Italian based. It opens up onto the strip. Really wish I could have had that sandwich. Looked really yum. So if you need something Italian, this would be a good place to stop. One place we did eat was Bavette's Steakhouse. We did not have a reservation. We were informed because of this, we could go to the very back, and there's a back bar hidden away in the back corner. So this is a top tip. If you want to eat at Bavette's and you don't have a reservation, check out the bar in the back, which I'm taking you to right now. You would not know it's there unless you've been there before. Here we go around the corner. And just like that, we're at the back bar. Full menu is available there. Full bar available as well. And hard to see, but filet and frites. The property also has a spa, a salon, and for those youngins that I see, a workout center. Pretty big. But one of my big interests was the pool. The Park MGM actually has 3 separate pools with multiple bars and a little snack shop at the entrance. East Pool and Bar. This was a Saturday, so the pool's got a good number of people in it. The North Pool, which is closer to the restaurant and bar, over on the left. Don't get a good look at it, unfortunately. A little more full. And then the South Pool, which seemed to be where most of the families and kids ended up. All in the shadow of the gigantic hotel, the Park MGM. I think it might have been the Monte Carlo once upon a time. Cheers, everyone. Well, we're down here at the pool. I showed you my margarita earlier and decided to get some food to offset the alcohol content of the margarita. And ordered chips and salsa, and it came out as nachos with cheese and all this stuff. And can't do the cheese, can't do the dairy. I can do chips, I can do salsa. LaDonna at the bar was very accommodating, took the nachos off and brought us some chips and salsa. So good for you, LaDonna. Service at the Park MGM, all in all, has been fantastic. So I don't have any complaints.
In other news, there's been a steady stream of people going into the hot tub. It is 106 today in Vegas. The thought of going into a hot tub makes zero sense to me. If you would go into the hot tub when it's 106, please comment below and tell me why, because I have no idea why that is even considered. I just find it kind of crazy. Especially considering the pool water is not that cold. I bet the pool water is about 85 to 90. Anyway, as I said, comment below. Thank you.
Hey there, it is going home day, and that's a Monday if you are interested. And this is what the pool looks like on a Monday. Top tip if you don't like crowds and want to get a little bit more, room, like these 3 empty seats next to me, you want to come to Vegas during the week and leave before the weekend. If you want to be here with all the people in the action, you want to be here on Friday, Saturday.
So other than the pool, I suspect most people are interested in the rooms, even though it's Vegas and you're probably not going to spend a lot of time in your room other than to recover. Every Vegas hotel I've ever stayed at has these really, really long hallways. There must be a person to space maximization algorithm for that. Single sink, red shower. Shower was fantastic, by the way. In the room where they carried the red theme through, king bed, couch, and a table and chair. Big TV. And you can tell it's been recently renovated because there are power plugs everywhere. This is 3rd floor, and you've got a lovely view of the roof. Probably want to request a room with a better view or a high floor to get away from the roof. So I didn't think there was anything behind the bathroom door, but you slide the bathroom door closed and you get a safe and drawers. It's kind of hoping for a mini fridge, but I don't see one. No real complaints about the Park MGM. The staff is very friendly, very nice. Everything in the hotel is very nice. I will mention, if you are a smoker, this is a smoke-free hotel. So if you are interested in smoking, you have to find a designated smoking area, which is really interesting in Vegas because every other place you go, people are lighting up everywhere. So if that's a big deal for you, then this is probably a good place for you. Unless you're a smoker, and then you won't want to be here at all. Spent a lot of time at the pools. Pool staff is also very friendly. Basically, I have no complaints about anything here. It's a really great location if you're going to a concert or you're going to go see the Golden Knights next door at T-Mobile Arena. I think it's T-Mobile. Which is literally across the street. There's something called the Park next to the hotel, hence the Park MGM. Mostly stone and stuff there. Regardless, if you have any questions or comments about being in Vegas, be it at the Park MGM or travel in general, please post those below and I'm happy to respond. Thanks for watching today, and as always, happy travels.